darkness will soon be upon us. I have seen it.
Vanessa.
Beasts will feed. Evil will overcome the earth. And all our days will come to an end.
Such music my master makes. There's a creature. He has been hunting me since the dawn of time.
You may be done with hell. It is not done with you. She needs us. We are coming to you, Vanessa.
He is very close. She's the only person who can stop all this.
What is all of this?
The end of days.
Too easy being monsters. Let's try to be human.